it's true, I think about you all the time. I recall we went walking in the autumn breeze. Your eyes danced when you saw the color of...
Nagustuhan ko kay Ian noong umpisa. Actually, hindi ko po alam. Eventually kasi, na-develop na lang siya. Nung una po kasi, ayun, sobrang parang pinipigilan mo na ma-fall in love, ganon. Pero pag si Lord na talaga yung kumilos sa buhay mo, alay, kiyak ulit yan. Hindi, pag si Lord na talaga yung kumilos sa buhay mo, kahit ayaw mo yan, kung ano yung tingin ni Lord na kailangan mo na tao para sa'yo, naniniwala ako na si Ian yun. Tubig! Drummer Ian Huesca, I promise to be a naturally submissive wife. Alam mo na yun yung iba! I promise to be a naturally submissive wife. And magtutulungan kami lahat ng challenges na kaharapin namin, lahat ng kung ano mang bagay yung dumating. Dati kasi parang alam mo yun, ako lang, kumbaga, sanay tayo independent, diba? Sanay ako na, ako lang yung nagpi-face nung, parang bawal ka mapagod. So ngayon, parang pwede na akong mapagod or magpahinga kasi gano'n si Ian yung katuwang ko. Ayun, thank you po.
Step by step on my road, I ask the Lord where to go. At times I did wonder what He planned to do. His plan was for me to find you. So here I am, trusting in God's plan as He shapes and He molds me with His loving hands. With a struggle I face, I know will get me through. He's preparing me for this journey with you. So let's go on this journey with God. Let us praise Him together, serving as one. Let us look towards heaven, no matter what comes, as we go on this journey as one.
Now here we are, starting our new lives. We're on our road, trusting Him to guide, hand in hand and side by side. Serving God together seems so right. Oh, let's go on this journey with God. Let us praise Him together, serving us look towards heaven, no matter what comes as we go on this journey as one. So let's go on this journey with God. Let us praise Him together, serving as one. Let us look towards heaven, no matter what comes as we go on this journey, on this journey.